The sensor hub, sensor threads. Okay, need to check normal sensor 4.17 kilo ohms room temperature. Yeah. Normal. See how to check, no? This is the good one. See, 4 point is the good. This good. I check this damage one. Okay. This one the damage. See, 0.88. This one 4 point something, 4.17. This damage. See, damage. This one carbon. This one colors damage. This one okay. Other one check the long one and short one same. You check. See, this normal. This is the normal. Good. Working. Good. Thank you.